Q12 is, why is the Human Genome Project called a mega project? Why is it like that? Mega means huge. Okay, so let's list differences. Points. Human Genome Project is called a mega project because of the following reasons. Now, sequence and identification of more than 3 into 10 raised to 9 base pair. 3 raised to 9 means, 10 raised to 9 means a billion, 3 billion base pair identification sequences. Now, identification of all the genes present in the human genome. Okay, so human genome consists many genes, and Human Genome Project gave us the idea of what all the genes are. Now, high expenditure of more than $9 billion. Remember, 9 base pair, 10 raised to 9 base pair, and $9 billion. Identification of alleles of genes and their function. So, which allele is responsible for what function? Storage of data for sequencing would require space equal to 3,300 books and 1,000 pages if each page contains 1,000 letters. So it's a large project. Okay, thus these are the reasons. 1, we identified something, then we identified what. That costed how much? Then we are assembling the identification. And lastly, how large was it? This is all the points that you're supposed to keep in mind when writing the answer.